Hello and welcome to the topic Literature as an Art. How do we define art? Take a few seconds and think about this. Is art something that is painted and then hung in a museum? Is it photographs that people take and publish them in magazines? Or is it classical music? What about literature? Is this something that comes to mind? Literature is art. It is like painting, drawing, singing, and making a film. It is also like those of music, designing, and modeling. Literature is art. An artist uses tools to create something. Painter uses a box of colors or brush as tools to create something. Musician has musical instruments with which he creates something. Literature is art. In literature, words have a significant function. They are used as tools in the hands of writers and poets to create a poem, short story, drama, and novel. Literature is art. Literature is an art, can be defined as communication between an artist and the audience. When an author writes, he takes words to create a story to communicate to us. Through that story, we can create a picture of the characters, visit new places, and find meaning in what could be seen as simple events. An author's writing style is the platform for sharing art. Thank you and goodbye.